Hello, we are the Carbon Neutral Knights. For our KPMG Ideation Challenge, we propose the green dashboard. My name is Carlos Betancourt, and I'm a finance major.
My name is Minji Park. I'm a computer science major.
My name is Luke Reiner. I'm a finance and economics major.
My name is Daniel Popa, and I'm a finance major.
My name is Fernando Ordui, and I'm a finance and accounting double major.
So the community we want to help is UCF, and the way we want to help them achieve carbon neutrality is by implementing a dashboard that essentially lets students and faculty opt into emails, opt out of emails, and opt into email by text. And by using this, we will actually reduce the amount of carbon emissions produced by emails.
The main metrics we used were CO2e, which is a carbon dioxide equivalent, which is all global greenhouse gases that are similar to carbon dioxide. So we had an average email, which uses 4 grams of CO2e, an email with an image, which uses 50 grams of CO2e, a regular email and spam, 0.3 grams, and then a text message uses 0.013 grams.
So we conducted a small survey with 30 students to see how many emails they were receiving throughout the day and throughout 1 week. And what we found is that throughout 1 week, students actually only needed to see 9% of the emails that they received. So the other 91% were essentially just junk and a waste of carbon emissions.
So for University of Central Florida, we've broken down everything to give you a better explanation of the carbon emissions. So we took total number of people at UCF multiplied by emails, which we got from the survey, broken down into 3 separate segments. And then we took that total carbon emissions number and converted it into CO2 emissions equivalent to gallons of gasoline for a better idea for your average user. So further deep dive into the solution itself is we want to create a dashboard. In this case, it's for University of Central Florida. It's applicable to universities or even Fortune 500 companies. And the dashboard would have everything sent to it rather than the individual users if it's sent from the host company.
Yeah, and so here we have our prototype dashboard, and you can see how we separated the segments, our UCF services like athletics for the PD department, a notification to where, so you can either opt out or you can choose email or text or both. Learn more about the services. There you have a link to each website and learn more about the services. And then on the right, we have our color scheme, which is basically performance-based. Green means good, of course, red means bad. And then on the bottom left, you have a little motivational thing. So you have helped UCF reduce carbon emissions by middle of the quotes. And, this prototype dashboard can be used in all the universities applicable. So, UF, FIU, FSU, and so forth.
The implementation of our green dashboard is computationally easy because UCF already has a similar service in the form of opting it out of electronic W-2 forms. And this is just giving the user the option to manually change email preferences. So adapting the W-2 service for our green dashboard would be very easy. With the dashboard, it creates an incentive-based method to reduce carbon emissions that will reduce the amount of time-wasting emails that the students and the faculty at UCF receive. The university and the students would then be working together to tackle the emission problem and get closer to carbon neutrality. Before using our dashboard, the email emissions that are being generated burn over 200,000 gallons of gas per year, but after implementing our dashboard, this number would be reduced to 21,000, which is a 91% reduction. Without the dashboard, the students and faculty are still receiving many emails that they don't need to see that just add more to the carbon emissions problem, and it essentially slows down the school in its path to achieve carbon neutrality.
Thank you for your time, and we hope you think about this presentation next time you send an email.
Thank you.
Thank you.